When I tried to open the game, I got this error. The application was unable to start correctly. To fix this, you need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Now you need to navigate to the game location. Right click on the game and select open file location. Copy this file path and then close stuff here. Paste the path we copied and press enter. Select the game folder and select folder option. And the game folder has been added to this list. Now go to virus and threat protection. Current threats. Click on the drop down and select allow on device and select start actions. It's like yes option. Once you've done this, launch the game. The game open up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.